Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 5th of August, 2024, and we are here to provide an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 31st of July, 2024, our system has categorized Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.42. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock encountered a decline of 5.55%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 1.39% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 4.61% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.61% to 25.66%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to a change of nearly 39.98% over the next year, with a potential return between 39.98% and 69.70%. This suggests a price range from $553.13 to $670.58 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline: Microsoft stock price ended at $395.15 on Monday after losing 3.27%. The Microsoft stock price fell by 3.27% on the last day, which was Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, declining from $408.49 to $395.15. It has now experienced a decrease for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.01%, with a day low at $385.58 and a day high of $401.04. The price has dropped in 7 of the last 10 days, and it is down by 10.79% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 10 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may signal an early warning, suggesting that the risk could rise slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 40 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $15.62 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $468.35, while the lowest price was $309.45. Currently, the price sits at 15.63%, or $73.20, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft is currently experiencing significant growth, particularly in its Azure AI sector, which is struggling to meet soaring demand. Despite this potential, the stock took a hit last week, declining by 5.4%. This decline is part of a broader trend affecting major tech stocks, which collectively lost about $1 trillion in market value due to a market-wide sell-off, with speculative tech stocks leading the way down. This situation could impact Microsoft's long-term growth trajectory, projected at around 15% annually, with a target price of $817.50 by 2029. In the short term, the recent volatility and negative sentiment towards tech stocks will likely keep pressure on Microsoft's stock price. However, the company's strong commitment to artificial intelligence, evidenced by a substantial revenue growth of 29% in Azure and a significant increase in capital expenditures, suggests a robust foundation for recovery and future appreciation. While immediate market conditions are challenging, the long-term outlook remains cautiously optimistic as Microsoft continues to enhance its AI capabilities. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Microsoft a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Oppenheimer assigned Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, KeyBank assigned Microsoft an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Barclays assigned Microsoft an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Wells Fargo assigned Microsoft an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Microsoft stock presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On any upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $416.29 and $442.90. A breakout above either of these levels may trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 5th, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 15.49%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Hence, closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 22 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 11 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggested a buy signal 11 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 190 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the next few days. This stock typically shows average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by $15.46 between its high and low, which represents 4.01%. During the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 3.03%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively normal, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $3.09. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $415.13. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which implies that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Alice L. conducted an insider sale of 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. conducted an insider purchase of 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. conducted an insider purchase of 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Pritzker Penny S. conducted an insider purchase of 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Peterson Sandra E. conducted an insider purchase of 40,358 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 83.291. Overall, insiders purchased 14,177 shares and sold 204,299 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss established. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Microsoft may experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our assessments indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of August, we expect Microsoft to open lower by $1.23, starting at $393.92. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.